Hello there, presenting you all MediBlog, the most secure app to store and share your medical records. Let's hear the story of Alice. Alice visits the doctor for her fever. Doctor asks her about her medical history, but Alice gets confused because she had lost her previous health records. Now this is a big problem faced by many around the globe, and that's where MediBlog comes into the picture. MediBlock is a mobile-based application to share electronic health records securely using blockchain-based searchable encryption scheme. So what's so good about it? It's easy to use. It's secure against quantum computer attacks. It's research proven, done by the team members themselves. So what's happening internally? Let's talk about it. First, the trusted third party generates and securely delivers key to the data owner, Alice in this case, and the data user, the Bob, the doctor. The data owner, also known as Alice, selects her typhoid history document, encrypts it to generate a ciphertext, the encrypted document, and some intermediary information. She sends the ciphertext and the encrypted document to the cloud server and sends the intermediary piece of information to the blockchain network. Now, this intermediary piece of information is extracted by the Bob, the doctor, to generate a search token using which he searches over Alice's encrypted document in the cloud server. Once Bob receives the encrypted document from the cloud server, he can receive a decryption token from the Alice through the authentication channel and decrypt the document. The reason for the link between the cloud server and the blockchain is for the cloud server to verify whether Bob did the correct computation or not. Let's hop onto the demo.
I will present a short demonstration of the MediBlock app. So on my screen you can see my Firebase dashboard already open, and to the left of it I have one device which has a version of the app already installed. The app is created using the cross-platform framework called Flutter. So let me fire up the app first. Now this is the initial page of the app where it asks for login. This uses Google Sign In for the authentication. Now I am logged in using my account and it automatically picks up my name associated with it. Let me continue. This stores some information on the Firebase. So if we go to the Firestore, you can see my name as well as some other properties are stored here. If we notice the app now, we are on the main dashboard of the app. You will be able to see the list of users here who have already logged into our app. Down at the bottom right corner, you can see this floating action button. So let's click on this. This has navigated us to the upload screen from where you can share any document. So let me select one document here. Now you have to enter one passphrase. Then click on upload. This will encrypt the file and upload the data to the blockchain, which in turn generates some transaction hashes that we'll be needing later. Then the file is stored to the Firebase storage, the encrypted file. So this will take a bit of time. So the upload is complete now. Now let me bring up one another device. So this is rocking the same version of the app, but using another user. This is logged in using Eve. So here you can see in the list of users, my name is appearing. Click on this name. So this displays all the file that I have shared, but not necessarily that Eve has access to it. So in order to access the files, Eve has to request authorization from me. So now you can see that on my version of the app, one another uh, request is presented. So if we grant this request, then let me grant this first. So we have granted the request for accessing the file that I have shared to the blockchain to Eve. Now on the Eve side of the app, you can see one another tab called Authorized Files appears. Let me navigate to it. So here files that Eve has been given authorization will appear. But remember the files are still encrypted. So in order to get the file, Eve has to click on this retrieve button. Now what it does is it uses the transaction hashes to retrieve the data from the blockchain and then decrypts the file and downloads it. Let us wait for the download. So now the download is complete and you can click on the open button to view the file. So this is the file that I have shared with Eve. So this was the short demonstration of our app. So if you want more information regarding our project, you can navigate to this GitHub link. Here we have all the details regarding our app and the encryption scheme that we are using. We are using a custom encryption scheme, which we have written a research paper also. And down below here, you can see all the whole overview of the how the encryption part is working and the interfacing of it. And you will also get the wireframes and some description of the app here. And I have the initial planning also. Thanks for watching the demonstration of the MediBlock.